And sweet, Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. We're finally officially into our new facility. Titanium trailer, diamond, our titanium trailer is blue, green, diamond trailer, another diamond trailer, titanium truck. Everything fits into just warehouse one. We've got enough room to build at least a half a dozen more. And we're gonna be filling these trenches up on Wednesday, so this will be up and running and ready to go. So if you're interested in a trash bin cleaning system, give us a call at 877-699-0755. It's trashbincleanersdirect.com. You can go to info@trashbincleanersdirect.com, and we'll be more than happy to help you with all aspects of the business, from the best custom built trash bin cleaning systems in the industry, the world's fastest, most eco-friendly. We have 17-stage wastewater recycling and filtration system, and even a VOC filter for the outgassing of the steam. So truck packages, this is our mid-range. We also have a bigger truck called a diamond truck. Learn more. Give us, go to our website at www.trashbincleanersdirect. Email us info@trashbincleanersdirect, or call us 877-699-0755. We've got about 8 more coming in already this week that's already scheduled to go out the door.